Good evening and welcome to Jim Munley's World of Weather. You clicked on to Long Range Weather Forecast discussion for November 8th to the 20th. Models are depicting a zonal flow across the nation for November 8th to the 12th. Models and ensembles also indicate a trough off the northwest coast. Some of the models are slightly more amplified with this feature. And the climate forecast system version 2 has below normal heights of the west and the northeast. So we're going to take a look at that for a second. I have to remember. I have to remember where that is. Okay. If it would load. See below normal heights here and near to above normal heights across the east. Okay, the pattern will keep temperatures near normal across the nation, along with light precipitation. Precipitation will be found across the northern plains, Florida, and northwest later in the period. Okay, now we're going to look at the period for November 11th to the 15th. And I want to look at here at the models. And we're going to go look at November 11th. Excuse me. This 11th sea is on a flow, but it looks like here a trough might be developing here off the northwest coast as the pressures get higher here. Now we're going to go to 150 hours. Centered on the 12th, and you can still see that feature. It's got more broad, a little bit of drip here, a dip here, but the flow is generally zonal. Now we're going to look at the ensembles for this period, for the GFS ensembles. A zone of flow, and it doesn't. It has a weak signature of a trough, possibly here. It looks like a ridge building here off the west coast, so that might be something to look at. Then we're going to look at the Canadian ensembles. And it still has like a zone of flow. So during this forecast period, I am forecasting below normal temperatures here and across this region, and above normal temperatures here. For precipitation, calling for below normal precipitation for the Four Corners region, and above normal precipitation for the upper Midwest. Northwest or the upper Mississippi Valley. Now, now we're going to look at the period for November 16th to the 20th, and models hold on to the ridge near the Aleutians for November 16th to the 20th, and the summers are indicating a little change in the circulation pattern. So we're going to go out now to look, just to show you. I'm going to try here, 276 hours. That's the wrong map. This is for the 17th, and you can see the symbols are generally indicating a zone of flow. But if we look at, let's see if we look at the Canadian operational models, we see we still have a zone of flow across the nation, but we a little bit of a trough here and a trough over the Northeast or Eastern Canada. Now, during this forecast period, then I am forecasting below normal temperatures for this region and for the Northeast and Mid-Atlantic again, and above normal temperatures here. And for precipitation, calling for above normal precipitation here along the West Coast and below normal precipitation for this region here. So that is a long-range weather forecast discussion for November 8th to 20th. Thanks for coming, Jim Munley's World of Weather, and have a good day.